Hello everyone, welcome back to Upper TV. Today we are at Jaisalmer and we have checked into our resort. I will give you a full walkthrough, but before that, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of all our new videos. Also, don't miss Dad's insights at the end of this video. Now let me take you to flashbacks. We started our journey from Pune in 8:40 a.m. Indigo flight to Jaisalmer via Delhi.
यदि आप बढ़ना चाहें तो पैनल में लगी बत्ती का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं। जलपान का
Had breakfast in the plane. Sandwiches were very tasty and very heavy.
What are you guys having?
Landed in Delhi about 11 a.m. Here my cousins and Mosi joined us.
All tensions gone, vacation mood on.
We boarded for Jaisalmer around 12:15 p.m. Landed in Jaisalmer on time at 2:20 p.m.
Hi. You guys come?
We had booked our airport pickup through the resort. The driver was waiting for us. We arrived at the Desert Valley Resort in about an hour from the airport. It looks like it's made of gold. Now back from flashback, we are at resort's reception and I will give you a full walkthrough of the resort now. So good! Ta-da! Desert Valley Resort, Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer, I mean. Cupboard with blankets. There's a sofa and another table, TV. This thing, I don't know what we call it. Sit, window, view, photo. And bed. And they also give you these tea making things. A comb, luxury soaps, dental kit, shower gel, shampoo. Lots of dragonflies. Bathroom tour. Very normal bathroom. And there's a hair dryer as well. There's also soap, I guess. Yeah. This is the landscape view from our terrace. There will be cultural programs in the evening here. It's time to enjoy sunset view and enjoy Camel Safari.
पाँव लगा के बैठो और यहाँ पर हाथ डाल बैठो 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 आप बैठो
कैसा?
अरे आप जलप बाइक जैसे बैठते बैठते चले पर मैडम दी
The way the camel gets up is scary. It feels like you're about to fall off the camel. The tomato. Look at the red sun. Other side moon.
Nice. See the moon on the other side.
Zoom in. Let's enjoy the view and the sand. time to go back to the resort.
गर्म और सीधा बैठो.
Wow, it's looking so beautiful in the evening. A warm welcome in Rajasthani rituals. The cultural evening program has started and we have grabbed our seats to enjoy the program for high tea and dinner. Let's enjoy the program. Talk to you later.
आपकी फरमाइशों का खाना खाने का मजा
You did it.
And after this mind-blowing program, time for some dinner. Dinner buffet has so many varieties of Rajasthani delicacies like dal bati churma and many others. Food is really delicious, and a few Rajasthani items I ate for the first time in my life, like kher sangri sabji. It was really good. After dinner, we're going to bed. After a good night's sleep, we woke up at around 8 am. It's very chilly, temperature at around 3 degrees Celsius. Looks foggy on the resort side and same on desert side. It's 8 am and the sun's not visible yet, so you can't see sunrise during Jan-Feb due to morning fog, only sunset. Proceeded for the breakfast. Buffet has so many variety of breakfast items. They all look so good.
What's up, Mr. Palwal?
We're gonna enjoy Camel Cart Safari.
Ready for the camel ride?
So much cold here.
You want to say something? Anybody want to say something? Not good for you?
guys, now we are going for the Jeep Safari. It's gonna be really exciting. Join us for Desert Safari.
Going
Yippee! Mama is going for parasailing. I am very scared, so I'm not going for it. Cost is 1000 rupees per person. Now Papa's turn for parasailing. Papa said we should only go for government approved vendors. There are localites providing cheaper services but non-compliant with security standards. Us kiddos enjoyed scooter ride. And then we departed for Jaisalmer city. We will show you Jaisalmer city in next episode. Watch the dad's insight in the description box. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if not yet. Thank you.